So guys, if you're getting this error, the first thing what I suggest to do here, you need to force refresh your browser with a video. So let's say the video is on, and then you just need to press Control Shift plus Shift plus R, and then forced refresh app for the browser, and then look if the problem persists or not. Second thing that you need to make sure that you're not using ad blocker, because it can be the issue while you're getting this error. So you just need to press on the three dots here, and then you need to go to extensions, manage extensions, and then if you're using ad blocker, just disable it here. If you're using Brave browser, I believe Brave browser has ad blocker installed. So let me show you what you need to do there. So on Brave, you just need to press on three horizontal lines here. Then you need to go to settings, go to shields, and then you should see a basically where that particular option is. Yeah, trackers and ads blocking, and make sure it's disabled, and then look if you can watch or not. Next thing what you can do here is to press on these lines next to YouTube link. Then you need to go to cookies and side data, then select this manage on device side data and delete every cookie here and press done. And then again, press Control Shift R and look if the problem persists. So guys, if you apply these changes, probably you will fix your problem. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.